Hi, digital pioneers. Have you ever wondered why collaboration can seem like such an uphill battle? The truth is, it's a complicated dance. Think about it. We all come from different backgrounds, have unique experiences, and hold our own perspectives. These differences can be a source of innovation and creativity, but they can also lead to disagreements and misunderstandings. Now, add in the challenge of aligning everyone's interests. We all have our own goals and priorities, and it can be tough to find a common ground that satisfies everyone. But the real test of collaboration is the ability to combine our individual efforts into a cohesive whole. It's like trying to fit pieces of different puzzles together to form a single coherent picture. Not an easy task, right? But when done right, the result can be something truly remarkable. Indeed, collaboration is a complex puzzle, but it's one well worth solving. Communication, consensus, collaboration. All similar words but have distinct meanings. Communication, the first of these, is a one-way street. It's about sending a message, making your point, expressing your ideas. It's a monologue, not a dialogue. Next, we have consensus. This is when a group finds a comfortable middle ground, agreeing on a course of action that is safe and makes incremental progress. It's about avoiding conflict and maintaining harmony. Finally, we have collaboration. This is where the magic happens. Collaboration is not about just getting along or sharing information. It's about co-creation. It's about combining diverse perspectives, skills, and experiences to create something new, something innovative. Collaboration is a dance, a dynamic process where every participant contributes and shapes the outcome. So remember this: communication is speaking, consensus is agreeing, and collaboration, well, collaboration is creating. Collaboration then is not just about talking or agreeing, it's about creating something new together. It's a creative process. In this era of artificial intelligence, why is collaboration more crucial than ever? Think about this. We're living in a digital age where boundaries are continually blurred. Our workplaces aren't just physical spaces anymore. They've evolved into digital environments where ideas can be shared across continents in mere seconds. No longer are we limited by geographical constraints. Our teams are global, our minds interconnected. We are now, right now, integrating artificial intelligence into this digital landscape. AI isn't just some high-tech tool we use, it's becoming a vital part of our teams. Chances are you have an AI coworker already, and this new colleague has strengths just like everyone else on the team. They are tireless, objective, and won't get aggravated with you. They are also capable of processing vast amounts of information at lightning speed. AI can spot patterns we'd miss, make predictions we can't, and ask questions we wouldn't think to ask. So, the collaboration we're talking about isn't just between humans anymore. It's a synergy between humans and machines. AI is changing the game, and collaboration is our key to keep up with it. Let's delve deeper into the process of collaboration. Over the past 20 years, I have studied collaboration and highly creative and dynamic work environments. Here's what I learned. There are actually 5 collaboration paths. That means when we collaborate, we are on one of 5 different phases of the creative process. Did you know that? Allow me to explain. First, we have ideating. This is the stage where we're on the hunt for valuable new problems to solve. It's all about brainstorming, exploring, and asking those probing questions. It's the birthplace of innovation and the starting line for all collaborative efforts. Then we move on to shaping. Here we're trying to figure the problem out. We're molding and sculpting our thoughts, trying to understand the issue at hand from all angles. It's a bit like solving a puzzle. You've got all these pieces and you're trying to figure out how they fit together to create a coherent picture. Next, we have envisioning. Now that we've shaped our problem, it's time to tackle it in a way that makes sense. We're designing our approach, setting our sights on the solution. It's about looking ahead, anticipating challenges, and mapping out a plan of action. The fourth path is sharing. This is where we communicate part or all of the problem, inviting others into our process. Sharing is the bridge that connects us to other minds, allowing us to benefit from diverse perspectives and collective intelligence. It's about openness, transparency, and the willingness to learn from others. Finally, we have persuading. This is where we sell others on the best approach to take. It's about convincing, influencing, and rallying support for our idea. It's not just about having a great solution, but also about getting others on board to execute it. These paths are not necessarily linear, they often overlap and intertwine. You might find yourself shaping and sharing simultaneously, or ideating while persuading. It's a dynamic, fluid process that requires flexibility and adaptability. Remember, collaboration isn't about everyone thinking the same thing. It's about everyone thinking together, each bringing their unique skills and perspectives to the table to create something greater than the sum of its parts. These 5 paths provide a roadmap to effective collaboration. It's a journey that's challenging, rewarding, and absolutely essential in today's interconnected world. Here's a question. When you are collaborating, are you just getting things done, or are you figuring things out? This question is more than just semantics. It's about the depth and breadth of our collaborative efforts. Getting things done often refers to checking off tasks on a to-do list. It's about following a set path, completing assignments, meeting deadlines. It's the engine that keeps organizations running. But it's not the whole story. Figuring things out, on the other hand, involves a deeper level of engagement. It's about unraveling complex problems, seeking diverse perspectives, and co-creating innovative solutions. It's about exploring uncharted territories and learning from each other's experiences. This is where the magic of collaboration truly comes to life. So, when we talk about collaboration, we're not merely talking about getting things done. We're talking about a transformative journey of collective problem solving, which brings out the best in everyone involved. Collaboration is less about ticking off a to-do list and more about collective problem solving. Collaboration is about understanding why and what, more than it is about how. Collaboration is not merely additive, it's multiplicative. Here's why. When we follow the 5 paths of collaboration, ideating, shaping, envisioning, sharing, and persuading, we're not just ticking off tasks on a to-do list. We're engaging in a dynamic process that's all about synthesis, evaluation, and transformation. Think about it. Synthesis is all about bringing together diverse ideas and perspectives. We're taking the raw ingredients of our collective knowledge and cooking up something entirely new. That's not addition, that's multiplication. Next comes evaluation. We're not just accepting ideas at face value. We're challenging them, probing them, refining them. We're multiplying their value through critical thinking. Finally, there's transformation. We're not just changing things, we're evolving them, improving them, taking them to the next level. And that's why collaboration is multiplicative. It's about amplifying individual contributions, creating a result that is greater than the sum of its parts. We've traversed the complex terrain of collaboration together. We delved into its challenges and nuanced differences between communication, consensus, and actual collaboration. In this era of the digital age, dominated by artificial intelligence, collaboration has proven to be not just beneficial, but absolutely essential. We navigated through the 5 effective pathways to collaboration, namely ideating, shaping, envisioning, sharing, and persuading. We understood the significance of figuring things out in order to foster successful teamwork. We unveiled the impressive strength of multiplicative collaboration, a powerful tool for hatching innovative solutions. Let's incorporate these insights into our daily interactions and projects to spark creativity within our teams. Let's pledge to communicate with purpose and not merely mistake consensus as collaboration. Now it's your turn to take action. Reflect on your own experiences with collaboration. Where did you excel? Where could you have done better? Identify those areas and work on them. Remember, collaboration is not just about getting things done, it's about creating something new together. Take a moment to think about the different collaboration paths we discussed: ideating, shaping, envisioning, sharing, and persuading. Which of these do you use most often? Which ones could you incorporate more into your collaborative efforts? Finally, commit to practicing multiplicative collaboration. Embrace the strengths and skills of your team members and see how you can multiply your results through effective collaboration. The world of work is changing, and we must change with it. And remember, collaboration isn't just a nice to have, it's a must have in this digital age. So let's get out there and collaborate. Remember, it's not just about getting things done, it's about creating something new together. The future of the digital economy lies in this. Let's make it happen. This is Brian Lambert, signing off, hoping you enjoyed our journey and wishing you successful collaborations ahead. Remember, the future of the digital economy lies in this. If you found this video insightful, feel free to share it, like it, and subscribe to this channel.